in front, man. The series N-I-G-E-R VR. Oh shit, actually looks like a scary movie, man. Come on, came to my baby. Whoa. You done now?
Okay, go. What's going on here? What's going on here?
Oh shit, it's not what it looks like, man. It's not what it looks like.
Ah, disappointment. Just in case you guys were wondering, these are the key components to make a great meth lab. And after you mix all those together, you get your end product. Right here. Crystal meth.
Hey, get that fucking thing out of my face.